15. The Tao is as ancient as existence itself. The most venerable masters evolved in relation to the Tao, a response to encountering the depths of life and being. Contacts that must surely have been profound, for the surviving traces of their wisdom point to the subtlety of the Tao, the mysteries that cling to every fiber of existence, and the tenacious character of their inquiry, fluid as water, yet careful, precise and deliberate, as if crossing a stream on thin ice. Cautious like a warrior alert to possible threats. Reverent and courteous, as if meeting honored guests. Flexible like flowers bending toward the sun. Malleable, the way wood is prepared for shaping. As receptive as an open valley, and empty as a cavern, selfless as sand beneath the waves. Waters cloudy with sediment settle with stillness, becoming clear, able to nourish, bringing forth infinite places to go, things to do, choices emanating from the still point, from here and now into every possible moment. Mindful the right path to take will be revealed once the compass of the senses is silenced. The ancients never sought fulfillment. Participating in the change was sufficient, a reward in itself. Stitched from the threads of the Tao's sublime mystery, the fabric of existence guides and shelters the sage wherever he goes. He never wants for anything. Empty and available, the sage is patient, present, and welcoming to the eternal unfolding of the Tao.